Hello everyone, my name is Grant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Keystore for your Android project in Unity, and how to reset it after you've submitted your app under an old one in case your old Keystore file was lost. If you would just like to see the reset segment of this video, skip ahead to this time. First things first, to create a Keystore for your Unity project, go to File, Build Settings, Player Settings, and finally Publishing Settings. From here, you're going to want to select Keystore Manager. This will open a window where you can select an old Keystore or create a new one. In our case, we're going to create a new one. So go ahead and select the Keystore dropdown and create new. In this dropdown, I selected anywhere and located a directory that I had created for the Keystore file. However, you can use in-dedicated location as well. They both seem to do the same thing, so either option should be fine. Now we can create our Keystore and key values. This form has 3 pieces of information that you have to keep track of. The first value here is the Keystore password, the second is the key alias, and the third is the key password. The Keystore and key passwords cannot be the same, so keep that in mind when filling out the form. Now, go ahead and fill out the rest of the form with your real information. I'm not quite sure what organizational unit is, so I just left that blank. My old Keystore was accepted by Google, so as long as you fill in your name and location info, you should be fine. Once you're done, all you need to do is hit Add Key. In this case, my button is grayed out. I'm pretty sure this is because I've already added a key to this project. And you're all set. Once you hit that button, it may ask you if you would like to add the key to the project as well. Go ahead and click Yes. Once it finishes, your project is equipped with that Keystore. If you haven't already, you will need to go to the app signing page on your app's Google Console dashboard and submit your Keystore to enable app signing. Now, let me show you how to reset your Keystore for your app's signing. Keep in mind, Google only lets developers reset this once per lifetime of each app. If you must do this, take extra precaution to not have to do it again, otherwise you will no longer be able to update your app. First, download the program called Keystore Explorer. Once you have downloaded it, run the program. When it opens, hover over File and select Open. Next, go to your Keystores directory and open the Keystore. You should see a listing somewhat like this. Go ahead and double-click the listing. This will open another menu where you can export the file to PEM format. Click PEM and then select Export. This will export the Keystore certificate in a PEM format. This is what Google needs in order to reset your app's Keystore. Lastly, send Google Developer Support an email explaining the situation and asking for a Keystore reset via the form link below. Unfortunately, this is the only way to reset the Keystore once you have submitted your project under another Keystore. To finish up the form, attach the PEM file you just exported and make sure to fill out all the other information, such as your name and developer ID so that they can verify that it is you. Then, submit the support ticket. They should respond within 48 hours saying your Keystore has been reset. When I had to do this, they responded saying that it would be a few more days before the new Keystore would take effect, so be prepared to wait several days before you can submit updates with your new Keystore. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.